bawling in there. What are you kids up to? I was reading my book and you guys had to come interrupt me.
Mr. Johnson, hi!
Excuse you, I'm a Mrs. and not a Mr.
I'm so sorry, Mr. Ma'am.
Apology accepted. Now I'm going to go read my book without any interruptions from you guys. Chill out on the sound. You're too loud.
Oh, I am? Oh, I am?
I swear those boys are too loud. Bob, come in here. Oh, so stupid, bro. Yes. Well, you gotta get in control of him, or else he's gonna have to go home.
Okay, Mom.
Bro, you're getting me in trouble. You actually gotta chill out on the sound, bro. You're being too loud. Wait, what? Bro, you do not need me to say it again. You're just being too loud. Just be quiet, okay?
Okay. Okay, Will. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Hey!